Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah, and I'm happy you're here today. In this lesson, you will hear 5 simple, real-life English conversations from everyday American life. Anna is new to the United States, and today she needs to do many small things. Sign up for an English class. Ask for directions, buy a backpack, get a haircut, and help someone in need. These conversations use slow, clear, easy English, perfect for A1 to A2 beginners. So relax, listen gently, and enjoy learning English through real American life. Let's begin with Conversation 1. Hi, excuse me. I want to sign up for an English class.
Of course. We have ESL classes here. What level do you think you are?
I'm not sure. Maybe beginner.
No problem. We can give you a short placement test today. It only takes about 15 minutes.
Okay, that sounds good. When are the classes?
We have morning classes from 9 to 11 and evening classes from 6 to 8.
Evening is better for me. I study during the day.
That's perfect. Our evening ESL class is very popular.
How many days a week?
Monday to Thursday, 4 days a week.
That's good for me. And is it free?
Yes, ESL classes here are completely free for all students.
That's wonderful. What do I need to bring?
You need 2 things: a photo ID and proof of address.
I have my passport. Is that okay for ID?
Yes, perfect. And for proof of address?
I have a letter from my landlord. Will that work?
Yes, that works great. Here is the registration form. Please write your name, phone number, and address here.
Okay. Done. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, everything looks good. The class starts next Monday at 6 p.m.
Next Monday? Okay. Do I need to buy any books?
No, don't worry. The teacher will give you all the materials on the first day. Just bring a notebook and a pen.
Perfect. And where is the classroom?
It's in Building B, Room 105. When you come in the main entrance, turn right. You'll see the signs.
Building B, Room 105. Got it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. We're excited to have you. See you next Monday.
See you then. Hi, excuse me. Can I ask you something?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm new here. How do I get to the village center?
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. The village center is very close.
Oh, good. Can I walk there?
Yes, definitely. It's only about 10 minutes on foot.
Great. Which way should I go?
Okay, so just go straight down this road.
This road? Straight ahead?
Yes, exactly. Walk straight and you'll pass a small coffee shop on your left. It has a green sign.
A coffee shop with a green sign. Okay.
Right. Keep walking a little bit after the coffee shop. Then turn left at the stop sign. You'll see a big red stop sign at the corner.
Left at the stop sign. Got it.
Yes, after you turn left, walk about one more block. You'll see the post office. It's a white building.
The post office. White building.
Right, and the village center is right next to the post office. You can't miss it.
That doesn't sound far.
No, not at all. It's maybe 2 blocks from here.
Is there a bus I can take?
Well, there is a bus, but for this short distance, walking is much easier. Plus, it's a nice day.
You're right. I'll walk. Thank you.
You're welcome, and don't worry if you get confused. Everyone gets lost the first week in a new place.
That's true. I get lost a lot.
Here's a tip. If you reach the big grocery store with the yellow sign, you went too far. Just turn around.
Oh, good to know. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy the village center. There are some nice shops there.
I will. Have a great day.
You too.
Hi, I'm looking for a backpack.
Sure. Backpacks are right over here. Follow me. What size do you need?
Something medium. Not too big, not too small.
Okay, medium size. Do you need a laptop pocket?
Yes, that would be helpful. I have a small laptop.
Perfect. This one is really popular. It has a padded laptop sleeve and 2 side pockets for water bottles.
Oh, nice. Let me see. Is it waterproof?
It's water resistant, so it's good for rain. And the material is very strong.
Good. I like this gray color. How much is it?
This one is $29.99.
That's a good price. I'll take it.
Great choice. Do you need anything else for school?
Actually, yes. I need a water bottle.
Water bottles are right here on the next shelf. We have plastic and metal ones.
Oh, I like this blue metal one. How much is this?
That one is $12.99. It keeps drinks cold for 24 hours.
Perfect. I'll take ET.
Anything else? We also have notebooks, pens, folders.
Do you have baseball hats for sunny days?
Yes, hats are in the clothing section. It's right around the corner. Let me show you.
Thank you.
Here we are. These are our adjustable hats. One size fits all.
I like this simple black one.
That's a classic style. It's $14.99.
Okay, I'll take it. I think that's everything.
Great. Ready to check out?
Yes, please. Oh, wait, do you take credit cards?
Yes, we take credit cards, debit cards, and cash.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Hi, welcome to Supercuts. What can I do for you today?
Hi, I need a haircut, please. Just a trim.
Sure. How much do you want to take off?
Maybe 1 inch. I don't want it too short.
Got it, about 1 inch. Do you want layers?
What do you think? What looks better?
I think some soft layers would look really nice. It gives more movement.
Okay, yes. Soft layers sound good.
Perfect. And do you want your hair parted in the middle or on the side?
Middle part, please. That's what I usually do.
Great. Let me take you back to wash your hair first.
Okay, thank you.
Lean back and just relax. How is the water temperature?
It's perfect. Not too hot.
Good. Let me know if anything feels uncomfortable.
I will. Thank you.
So, are you from around here?
No, I'm new. I just moved here a few weeks ago.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
I like it. It's quiet, and people are very friendly, very different from my country.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Brazil.
Oh, nice. I've always wanted to visit Brazil. What brought you here?
I came to study English and attend high school here.
That's great. Your English sounds really good already.
Thank you. I'm trying hard to improve.
Well, you're doing great. Okay, I'm almost finished. Let me just check the length. Yes, that looks even.
It looks good.
Would you like me to style it? I can blow dry and add a little wave.
Yes, please. Just something simple.
No problem. All done. What do you think?
Wow, it looks really nice. I love it. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. I'm glad you like it.
How much do I need to pay?
The trim is $22, and if you want to leave a tip, you can add it at the front desk.
Okay, perfect. Thank you again.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Hi, excuse me, are you okay?
Oh, hi. Yes, I'm okay. Just a little tired. It's a hot day.
Would you like some water? I just bought a bottle inside.
Really? Yes. Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Yurido.
Oh, thank you so much. This helps a lot. What's your name?
I'm Anna. What's your name?
I'm James. It's nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, James.
Where are you from? You have an accent.
I'm from Brazil. I just moved here.
Brazil, that's far away. Welcome to America. This is actually a good town. People here are kind.
Yes, I'm learning that. Everyone has been nice to me.
That's good. I've been here a long time.
Do you have a place to stay?
Not right now. But I go to the shelter sometimes. They help me when they have space.
I see. That must be hard.
Some days are harder than others, but I'm okay. Thank you for asking.
James, can I ask, do you need anything else? Maybe something to eat?
Well, a small snack would be really nice, but only if you don't mind.
I don't mind at all. Wait right here, okay? I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you, Anna.
Here you go. I got you a sandwich, an apple, and another bottle of water.
Oh my goodness. Anna, this is too much. Thank you. You really made my day.
It's okay. I hope things get better for you soon.
They will. I keep trying. People like you give me hope. You're very kind.
We all need help sometimes, right?
That's true. Thank you for seeing me. A lot of people just walk by.
Take care of yourself, James.
I will. You stay safe too, Anna. Good luck with everything.
Thank you. Bye, James.
Goodbye, Anna.
And that is the end of today's lesson. Great job, my friend. You just learned simple, real-life English, the English people use every day. In schools, on the street, in stores, in salons, and in kind moments with strangers. Remember, simple English is powerful English. You don't need big words to communicate well. Practice a little bit each day and you will grow. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Which conversation helped you the most today? Thank you for learning with Real Talk English. I'll see you in the next lesson.